Card 2. Nightmares of Nature. Aquatic Leech. The worm-like aquatic leech thirsts for one thing: blood. The size or shape of the prey doesn't matter, as long as the leech can slice through the victim's skin. Wriggling through the water, this slimy creature attaches itself to an animal's body, often without the host even knowing. Triple threat. Most animals have two jaws, upper and lower. The mouth of an aquatic leech contains 3, each lined with up to 100 tiny teeth that easily cut a hole in a victim's skin. Growth spurt. The leech can attach itself to a victim and dine on its blood for up to an hour. The parasite can drink so much that its body will swell to 10 times its normal size. Creature features. Species: various. Size: length from 1 to 6 in. Habitat: still or slow-moving waters throughout the world. Food: fresh blood from any vertebrate. Lifespan: up to 20 years.